Dark clouds gather in the sky above the forest. Barnaby the bear does not like thunderstorms at all. A loud thunder booms. Barnaby hides under a big tree. Coco the cat finds Barnaby shivering under the tree. "Do not be scared, Barnaby," says Coco gently. "I am here." Dotty the puppy runs through the rain to join them. Dotty snuggles against Barnaby. "We are all here together." Barnaby takes a deep breath. He feels braver already. Coco starts to sing a soft, gentle lullaby in the rain. Dotty barks back at the thunder. "You cannot scare us!" Barnaby stands up tall. He is not afraid anymore. The storm slowly fades away. The sun peeks through the clouds. With good friends beside you, you can face any storm.